Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for clicking on my video. I'm Oli Pepe and returning subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So guys, on today's video, you guys are going to be watching me braid my hair. So you guys are going to be watching me braid my hair because there's a lockdown and no hairdresser is opened. I can't get my hair done and I am so sick and tired of wigs. I just kind of like want to switch up my look. I want to look a bit different, and moreover, underneath this bonnet is a really tacky hair which I'm tired of. Do you guys understand? I've had this wig braid for like almost 3 months now and I've been so lazy to take it out and it's looking so raggedy already. And yes, so I'm going to show you guys how bad the wig braid that is underneath this bonnet looks like. But before I do that, mind you, don't judge. Before I do that, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Also give my video a big thumbs up and also drop a comment down below if you think this was a good idea. You know, trying to switch up my look up by myself and do my braids by myself. Give me a big thumbs up for efforts, and yeah, if you think I actually killed it at the end of this video, which you guys will see me with braids on. And yeah, let me just know if you have anything to say to me. And yes, positive things, by the way, good things. If you insult me down in the comment section, I'm going to come for you. Okay, so yes, I guess with all that said, I'll be seeing you guys in the next clip. Bro, I'm shy. Okay, so actually, you guys, I've had this one for like 3 months, way before the lockdown. Like way before the lockdown. It's bad. It's very bad. Very. It's really bad. So yes, how are we gonna do this? Rah. I'm shy. So like. You guys, my eyes is pushing me. I'm just like, what? Okay. I'm going to show you guys now. Then it's not. It's like, okay. 1, 2, ready? I'm serious. Okay, actually this time. No, okay, now. Just look at that. My hair is not that long, by the way, and I have glue on my edges from all the frontals that I've been laying. So I'm just going to go ahead and be taking that out right now. So as soon as I'm done taking it out, I'll proceed to wash my hair and dry it, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so guys, this is the length of my hair. I don't have really long hair like that. My hair is not that long, and this is the length. And actually guys, I'm transitioning. I'm trying to, my natural hair is not virgin, that is, there's relaxer in it, so I'm trying to transition into natural hair because I don't want to cut my whole entire hair off. Like, it's 2 textures. There's the relaxed part and then there's like, you know, undergrowth natural parts. So it's like there's a lot going on with the hair. Okay, so guys, I'm back. I just finished washing my hair, and right now I'm supposed to just go ahead and dry it with my blow dryer. But first I'm going to be showing you guys all the items that I got. Okay, so I got 2 of this expression attachments because I just want this. I want it to be scanty and big. I don't want anything too much. And these are my combs, my hair cream, and yes, that's pretty much everything I'll be using. And I also got this, and also have this right here just to hold my hair in sections. And yes, I'm just going to be attempting the first one. And mind you, this attachment, I didn't cut it at all, so I'm using like the full length. It's quite long though. I want it to reach my bum bum, but even if it does not, I don't care. But yes, I'm just using the full length just like that. And you know, kind of when you're braiding, it kind of affects the length. And I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to be attempting the first one on camera. Yes. What? It's supposed to work. How do you do this, bro? Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so guys, after several failed attempts, I've been able to complete one, as you guys can see. And yes, the length is quite satisfactory. Like, it's actually reaching my bum bum. Let me try and show you guys. I'm trying to show you guys. Sorry. Okay, guys, actually reaching my bum bum. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to go ahead and complete this side, then I'll be right back before I actually continue with this other side. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.
2,000 years later.
So yes, this I'm halfway through. I'm done with this side, then I'm on this side, then I'll have to go ahead and do the back, and then I'm almost done. And this is just like past 12. I was really thinking I was going to do this all night, but apparently God loves me. Like, I think I should be able to finish this. Do you guys understand? Like, I should be able to finish earlier than I expected. So it's fine, it's fine. So guys, I was actually going to film this yesterday. Actually, the intro and the point where I almost started my hair, like the very few clips with a different shirt on, I filmed that on Sunday, and today is Tuesday. I was not able to film yesterday because when I wanted to do that, I got to my tripod and I realized that it was broken. So I filmed on Sunday and my tripod was perfectly alright. Like, my tripod was doing fine, my tripod was still good. And then just yesterday I was going to film, and then I met my tripod broken. Like, the stand, it has 3 stands, then one of the legs is broken. And I was very tired and I threw a fit, and I was asking everyone, like, bro, who touched my property? Like, I literally keep my property out of everybody's way. So for you to actually like come here and touch it, maybe the person was trying to see how it works or something. It's a full house because there's a lockdown, so everybody's at home. So like, it's just like, bro, you can't even hold anybody responsible. I'm like, who did this? And everybody's like, they didn't do it. And it's so funny how the broken parts, I can't even find it. It's something I can still super glue it back. Like I could still actually try and glue it back to the broken parts, but like I can't even find the part that is broken. So like the tripod is just useless. So apparently I have to get a new one. But right now I'm just managing it because it's basically standing on a remote and I'm holding it down with my hair dryer. You guys, the actual ghetto. Okay, the actual ghetto, bro. Almost every day these people give me a reason to actually think of that, okay, how better it will feel to actually have a home of my own. I'm just like, I just want to live alone. Like, I'm not saying living with people is such a bad idea, but it's just like instances like this. Because if I were to be living alone, I'm sure my tripod will still be in very, very good condition. So I'm just like, bruh. So that is just about it. Giving with people isn't such a bad idea, but sometimes they just tend to piss you off. Imagine a situation whereby you put something somewhere and then you just get there and you're like, bruh. I always say this, like, as much as I can be so, you know, as much as I can be so untidy, as much as I can be so rough, but I always know where I put my things. It's like, you can ask me like, do you have a pin? And I'm like, okay, yes, my room is rough, but if you go underneath my bed, next to my red shoe, like, you know, like, I could literally describe to you, just lift up the book that you see there and you're going to see a pin. And trust me, you would actually see a pin. That is how bad it is. Like, the whole room might be scattered, and as long as I was the one that scattered it, do you guys get, like, I don't think you guys understand. I don't think I'm making sense. Like, I did this mess myself, so I know exactly where I scattered everything. So someone comes in and the person's like, oh, let me help her arrange her things, and the person's thinking they're doing me a favor. No, you're not. You are not doing me a favor. You are literally disturbing everything that I put in place, and you're just going to cause me so much trouble when I need something and I start to look for it and I don't know where you kept it, just because you thought you are doing me a favor by arranging my room for me. Do you guys understand? It's just like, bruh. Actually, I have that problem with my mom. I'll leave my room scattered, and before I come back from school, she's like, I arranged the room for you. And I'm like, thank you, but I don't want you to, because if you do, I won't be able to find certain things. Like, you literally just disrupted everything that I had. I don't think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the process is, as I'm about to move to the next one, I tend to straighten it a bit, just so it's easier to work with, because I don't know if you guys can see, like, it's just much better, because if I start to work with my hair just in that same texture, it's not going to give me this result. Like, it's not going to be this laid. Do you guys understand? So I have to like straighten it. So yes, I guess I'll just continue with the rest of my hair, and I don't know if I'll be coming back until I'm done, because I'm actually trying to finish this up so I can get some sleep. right now I'll just be going to sleep, and I'll see you guys in my next clip looking hella cute. Take like Tumblr pictures and Instagram pictures, and yes, all that will be for tomorrow. And right now I just need to go and sleep. Yeah, I need to go and sleep. I need my beautiful sleep. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next clip. Bye guys.